Hey everyone, this is Monty with True Beauty Glam'Dollz. I wanted to come to you today because I wanted to show you my 3-strand twist out and how successful it was on an old wash and go that I did. You can check out my previous video to see the wash and go 2 ways with the Denman brush and with the finger shingling method. So what I did was put clips on the roots so that it wouldn't be puffy, and that's one thing that I would suggest. And I did a 3-strand twist. I put some oil on the 3-strand twist and I just started unraveling them. I start pulling them to loosen up the curls instead of having a more of a fuzzy look. This is just a quick video just showing the outcome of the 3-strand twist, and I think it came out really good. I will be doing a tutorial soon on how to achieve a 3-strand twist out step by step to show exactly how to do that. But I just wanted to just come in and just show y'all a quick video. Make sure you should check out my other videos as well, and more to come from me. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Until next time, this is Monty with True Beauty Glam'Dollz. I love y'all Glam'Dollz. Make sure that y'all share, comment, and always subscribe. And remember to keep God first. Love y'all. Smooches.